simbolo ng sanghaling taglay lakas ng magsasaka, dangal ng manggagawa at puso ng isang ama. Mula sa barangay Makabuli, pinagmamalaki namin ipakilala ang kanyang katauhan sa pamamagitan ng suot ng sumasalamin sa kasipagan, at kultura ng ating bayan. Ang kanyang kasuotan ay pinaghabi mula sa konsepto ng dito ang ani, mga balay na sumasayaw sa hangin, mga kasigla na may ayon ng buhay, at mga kinihandog ng talumpay sa lupa. Ang mga gustong bitbit na sa likuran, may bitbit ng kwento ng bawat ina at habang nagsusulita para sa kinabukasan ng tahanan. Ang itong detalye, ilasinag ng araw na bumubuhay sa mga paranim at mabalot sa kanyang pagkatao bilang haligi ng pamilya. Siya ang hari ng tahanan, hindi lamang dahil sa lakas ng kanyang katawan, kundi sa tibay ng kanyang loob, tapang ng kanyang puso, at liwanag ng kanyang layunin. Mula sa matalinong disenyo ni Pepe Mendoza.
Mga Buwis Balita, 27, ang barangay. Ang hari ng tahanan ng barangay Makabuli!
I'm feeling nervous actually. I'm back now from a years of hiatus. Last time I joined was like 2021. 2019. When I represented Santa Rosa. So it's feels good to be back, and thank you, Santa Rosa.
Yes, you know what? You remind me of Mr. Dr. Hayden Cole. That's why I feel like a Trina Halili today. Okay, sorry po. Then, seryoso ko parang si Doc Hayden ko. So, ano na lang ako, Dr. Hayden.
Yeah. Sige, you can say thank you to your supporters. Go ahead.
Okay, first of all, thank you. Like our lives, thank you sa mga bumubuo po ng Taro event. It's actually very heartwarming for me. Kasi, as a father na nag-vlog, yung pangarap, it feels good to be back na mamagyan ulit ng stage para mag-shine. So, thank you to sa aking family, sa aking beautiful wife and 2 children na napakaganda at napakagwapo. Sila naman po yung abangan ninyo pagkatapos ko. At thank you po sa aking family. Thank you for coming and I will do my best.
Alright, sige. Ready ka na for your question?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, pick a question.
Your question?
From the Cora Villavera now. Sige.
Saving grace.
Question number 8. Your question is, kung ang tagumpay ng isang ama ay hindi nasusukat sa kayamanan, kundi sa mga luha na hindi niya ipinakita, mga gutom na hindi niya ipinadama, at pangarap na hindi niya pinili, ikaw ba, sa puso mo, ay masasabi mong nagtagumpay ka? Bakit?
First of all, thank you. I do believe that I am successful, not in a financial way, but in a way that I have a complete family. As someone who came from a broken family, I didn't have any fatherly advice. I learned how to be a father on my own. It wasn't easy, but the good news is I got stronger as time passed by. And just to end, I want to say that it doesn't have to be hard being a father. As a Christian guy, we just have to follow the fundamentals and the basics that the Almighty Father has already laid upon every one of us. We just have to follow it, and I believe in doing so, we will be a good father and a fitting hari ng tahanan namin. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, what a good round. What a good start to our question and answer round portion.